Mommy's doing a great job. Oh, you know, high school I can count. That's amazing. Amanda, can you tell the base mom that thing I did that? Happy Sunday, everyone. So let me reduce this because of copyright, please. So it's Sunday over here, and we just came back from church. Leave this, ignore this hell. I'm going to fix it later today. I had it covered, of course, to go to church. So that's the plan. I'll go fix my hair later today. I'm done making meals. Normally, I cook before leaving for church because our service is not usually like a very, very early morning service. So I prefer to cook and have food ready so that once we come back, kids can just eat and, you know, it's easier that way for me. So yeah, how is everyone? How are you? How are you doing? Just came out here to like check up on you guys. Hi everyone. So I want to go make zobo. I'm not showing you this clip, but I'll carry you out, include it in the next video. So my hibiscus tea, I usually add fruits to it just to make it healthier for the kids. So they're just taking, you know, vitamin C alongside. So the fruits I got this time around is just pineapples actually. So normally what I just add to my zobo, or what I'm going to add to this particular zobo, is just pineapples and cloves and sweeteners and dates. But the dates I got is very small, so I'm not sure how to use it. I don't think I'll waste it for that because you know something I discovered. All these people that do commercial zobo and say that they have that they don't include sweeteners, that it's just dates that makes the zobo that sweet. How true is that? Because I do zobo at home, and I actually had this argument with one of my sisters-in-law. She loves to make zobo as well. In fact, there was this one time when she added a lot of dates into her zobo, and it still did not sweeten. You know how children love sweet zobo to be very sweetened. For an adult, you can even like it's manageable, but for kids, they would still need to add extra sweeteners. Like it won't be as sweet for them, you know, with just that date. So I'm wondering, and dates are not cheap. So I'm now wondering the amount of dates you would have to add in your zobo to make it very sweet. Because sometimes you patronize all these vendors and you know their zobo is usually so sweet, and then you ask and they tell you it's just natural things, and you're wondering natural things and it's that sweet. Wow. Anyway, let me see how mine will turn out, even though I got artificial sweeteners to add to it as well, because I'm not going to depend on only my pineapple and dates to do the magic, you know. So yeah, but I'll carry you along. I'll show you in my next video. Like I said, I'll show you the process in my next video. What else? Then guys, let's talk. How do people cope with, or how do people deal with screen time during the holiday? Because this period my kids have been on break and there's no limit to their screen time. I'm not rationing, I'm not doing this thing of okay, it's enough, go do this, go do that. Though at their discretion, sometimes you just feel like okay, they want to go do something else, maybe play outdoors or read a book, you know, because it's something they are just used to doing, or play, you know. But normally I don't just tell them okay, it's enough screen time, do this, do that. Except sometimes at night when I feel like it's quite late, I can just be like okay, you guys can turn off your TV and sleep. But sometimes I don't even go in to check if they really did that. So I just allow them to like have as much screen time as they want, even though yeah. So I'm just wondering, am I doing the right thing or the wrong thing? Because at this point I don't know. I know that during school days, when school is in session, they don't get to have as much access to screen time. Okay, I deprive them of screen time. They don't even turn on their TVs in their room. I see all their tablets and all that, you know. But holiday period, I just feel like it's even another means of me also getting my much needed rest. So I allow them have their way. They want to do screen time, that's fine, or whatever, you know. But yes, the older ones also get to know how to ration it sometimes anyway, and also keep an eye on the younger ones. So But how do you cope with yours? Let me know. And if you watched up to this point, thank you so much for stopping by the channel. I sincerely appreciate you always showing support. I'll go. So my plan for the rest of the day is to go make that zobo and then go to the salon, to make my hair. Yeah, I need to make my hair today. So that's that. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Okay? Yeah, click on the thumbs up. Click on the like button, that's the thumbs up sign, and subscribe if you haven't, and click on the bell icon so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Alrighty, and also share the video and leave your comments in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care and bye.